but I'm free.
Of course.
Like a bird.
But I'm trying to segue back into
No, you're not.
Your ADHD is the problem.
Your ADHD is the problem.
My ADHD?
Yes, ADHD.
You got ADHD plus.
You are ADHD.
You got the premium
super plus.
content.
No, you're the
No.
one that we subscribe to.
How do you
damn
get
it.
that?
I
That's
don't
amazing,
know.
man.
When they used to have those documentaries in
Okay.
Hindi.
Oh,
अब
the-
नर्मदा की तरफ गया. मैंने cold call किया और बोला कि I want to come. Then I landed up in my cut sleeve salwar and in my deep voice. And they looked at me and said, "Madam, आपको पता है ना यहाँ हिंदी बोली जाती है." So I said, "Of course मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ."
I'm telling you answer na.
No,
that
no.
You love talking and you realize how good you are at talking and you were too good and everybody else was not so
I
good.
didn't say that.
I have it
say
on
that.
tape.
You may, but that's a lie. But it was Valentine's Day or something like that, and I was going out of town with my folks, something. So I remember
With
standing
your
up.
folks.
You have to listen to this story, Cyrus.
Fast forwarding because they
So
still have the
then,
bloody audition.
I'm trying very
33 minutes.
hard. My
I haven't even
God.
reached.
I want to ask the producers, am I talking or is he talking? Did you never buy
I
your
have
wife
no.
a piece of gold?
When my mother sleeps, I take something off her.
Oh my God! He means jewelry. He really does mean. Auntie, I'm so sorry. Malishka, तुला स्वतःवर भरोसा नाही का? This is happening, and then
That's
she has
sweet,
all
but
these bureaucrats
that's
around
not
her.
bad.
No.
No.
She has all these bureaucrats and all around her, and they're like sheep-faced standing over there, and she's doing this, and they're like Naika. Like, what?
All right, before we start this wonderful episode, I've got some okay news. We're doing a live show of Cock and Bull at Antisocial in Lower Parel. Parking is always disputable, so come really early. It's at 6:30. Come at 3. Fine parking. Lower Parel is beautiful in the monsoon. You'll find lots of places to indulge in aquatic sports. And then when that's done, at 6:30, be seated and we're going to do this Cock and Bull with Ronak Rajani, one of the greatest Sindhi poets of all time, and Zarwan Bansha, who is Dadar Parsi Colony's Mr. India 2 times running in the same year. So this is worth it. Please come. Tickets are available on District, which tells you that I'm totally in charge of the show and know exactly what's happening. 6:30, Friday, 22nd. Be there or be square. I leave you with the insignia from Cock and Bull. Okay, I've changed the position. Oops, what a thing to begin with. So I'm a little, I don't know where I am at the moment because normally I sit on that side. But Malishka, top RJ of India, world number 1, has just come and thrown me out and made me sit here and you've gone there. So what can we do?
Yeah, I want to say it's my profile, but I also think it's good for the brain when you move your seat.
Yeah,
and
I don't mind.
Suddenly, maybe you'll talk
Can I
less
tell
and
you-
I'll talk more.
Can I tell you? I'm married to the same woman. What's
know.
her name? Just somebody. Just
You
Google it.
complain about it all the time,
This,
so I
this
know.
is Brocha.
I
No,
know.
the thing is,
So lovely
she is very different. So wherever we go, the same side, the right side is where she likes to sleep.
That's the bed.
Yeah. I have, when she's
You have
out
no
of town,
preference.
I sleep anywhere. I sleep opposite, back, head on the floor, whatever. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
I've never had a
because
problem.
You're a little dukracha pillu.
That's true.
You
That's
know what
true.
that is?
I'm a kutrecha pillu.
No, I didn't say that.
But that's fine.
Dukkar is cute.
No, I like Kutrich. I'm a dog person. But no, I'm saying some people don't care about all these things. Some people do. But also, this profile thing, some photographer will tell you that this looks better. That
Rekha ji.
Rekha ji has done it, so it's her fault. Like, we have a common friend, Kunal Vijayekar. He's there.
Rekha and you? Matlab Rekha ji?
You, me and Rekha.
Of
Yeah,
course.
yeah.
So I want to say this a couple of days back when I spoke to
But I
Kunal.
haven't introduced you yet.
Oh, you haven't?
Shouldn't I say who
Yeah,
you are?
you must. You must.
Because my viewers are
I'm
all
a
over 60.
Okay.
Concha, who that girl?
That girl who wants to be part of the
Yeah.
threesome in Next Life. Kunal Vijayekar,
wow.
Cyrus Brocha and me.
Wow,
I'm
what
going to be
low
born with
standards,
a...
Malishka.
I know.
Oh my God. This is
Imagine.
third world sex. Yeah. This is horrible.
Imagine. I'm so happy with my life as a woman and what I'm doing in my career and all generally. But when I see the two of you guys vibing, I'm like, I want to be a crotchety old man. I want to be Cyrus Brocha and Kunal Vijayakar's
No,
friend.
one second. Let's get it. I'm the crotchety
You're not
old man.
crotchety.
He's not. He's a goody man.
He is.
Have you seen Khane Mein Kya Hai?
I feel
All
like you're
food
trying...
is good. All people are nice. Everybody's happy.
It's true.
So
He's
Kunal is
single.
like a, no.
Child-free.
Pharmaceuticals
He can be
keep him
nicer.
in a certain position where he doesn't know the world is painful. There's frustration and there's angst. Okay, so he doesn't have the rage is not there.
Okay.
Except if the driver doesn't come on time. What are you doing? You're falling apart.
Like-
What the hell?
Before you can start, मतलब दूर से ही मेरे earring उतारने की हिम्मत.
Fair. Also, let's get the thing. Malishka is here because 20 years
Thanks.
this week of Malishka as the top RJ on Red FM. Same, which is very rare. Firstly, staying in the same organization. Red itself
love me
now.
too much.
You're 50%
They pay me
equity
a lot.
holder.
They should.
It
I
Red
should.
Ishka is the full.
It's
called
true.
Red
That's how it
Ishka
should
now.
be. Redishka. That's what it should be called.
So, and rightly so. It's 20 years. We're coming to all that.
Can you
That's
believe-
why
and also,
she's
if you talk about my twacha and how beautiful I look, because I started at 3,
Oh.
and so I'm 23 right now. Yeah.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good with that. You could.
I know you're good with that, considering your team is all young, almost adults.
Madam ka medication lana. 1 hour show. I don't know if we can pull it off.
All right, let's do this. Chop, chop, chop.
Yeah.
No.
We'll come to Red FM and all because that's the the
Oh,
crux
shut up.
of the matter. No. Let's just talk about all this. So you've done hair and makeup and you're looking very nice.
Thank
and
you.
Honestly,
I believe you have to turn up.
you've given the show too much respect.
Your show?
Usually the guest before you didn't even brush his hair.
Or teeth.
Yeah, or teeth. I mean, nobody cares. It's like, oh, kuch kaam nahi hai to aa jayega. You know, that
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
thing. And
It's just that I feel like I'm the milestone. Na? Right now, I'm the
feeling
heroine.
pressure
Na?
that, you know,
you
you're
should.
so well turned out.
You should.
This outfit is
I
also...
turn up. Thank you. I should thank my stylist, makeup.
you
etc.
should,
I don't-
of course.
But I believe you have to turn up and show up. I mean, I can't say the same for you. The only way you'll see Cyrus if he gets into Incredible Hulk mode, tears this shirt. क्या मस्कल बना रखे हैं सर
But
आपने?
I worked with Red FM for a year or
I
so.
know.
And
Oh my God, what was
you weren't there because the timings didn't suit you. Very rarely saw you. But I wore my dirty clothes there also, no
Yeah,
problem.
because I do a live show. You used to record, na? That's
True,
the difference.
true,
So then in the morning, I have to come and chan.
What a flex, no? Ah,
Only
mera
you have by
baap
support.
kaun hai? I do a live show.
Done.
You bloody poo.
Like-
Might as well spit in the middle, yaar.
But it is the
But that's
20
true.
years of a live show is a scene, bro.
I should
While
have-
you're
I should have
sleeping-
said that. A good anchor would have picked that up
Pick
first.
that up, yeah.
I
It's
didn't
okay.
even-
I'm an anchor. I'll say good things about my stuff. I'll turn
Actually,
out.
that's a
I'll smell
huge
good.
point. I really should have said 20 years of a live show. The pressure of live is always very different from recording.
You
can
would
do-
know, yeah.
Yeah. Well, my live shows are basically when I was a dancer.
No, so I gotta tell you this. Cyrus and I hosted a show in Japan together.
Oh, yes.
What? Don't forget. So we've gone to Japan. Cyrus has come in the morning, and by
We
like 10
travelled
o'clock,
together?
let me. Yeah, we traveled together.
Your story, ma'am.
Yeah, we chatted and then we're on stage and Cyrus starts, that's my camera, I'm guessing. Yeah. And Cyrus starts freaking, And Cyrus starts freaking out because Cyrus is like, I have 11 o'clock flight. I'm like, how can you go? The show is... And then he completely freaks out. And as usual, he's great on stage and he's going all out and nuts. He leaves. He takes a flight and he leaves.
I had to go for a play. A play which was paying me nothing with Ryle.
Yeah. And the
So, and by the way, I reached with 1 hour to spare. With all that tension, catching a flight from Singapore, I reached at 6:45 for a 7:30 play.
How rich must you be that you came all the way to Japan and then you just did not stay? I went around, I experienced Japan, you know what I'm saying?
I've got two switches.
You've got
now.
too much
I've got a
money.
very gregarious switch and then a very off switch. Once I'm off, I don't want to meet anyone.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm like that old man in the building who you never see and then he's dead.
He was ticking at me. It's like the oh,
Sorry.
don't die before
Sorry,
we
yeah,
discuss
yeah,
our
yeah,
next
yeah.
janam.
But by the way, she is exactly the way she is on camera, on radio, or whatever, which is she decides to go and befriend every Japanese person on the road. Tell the story about the donuts. Remember?
No.
You went out and you asked for directions. You and 2-3 other guys. And
To
the guy-
donuts.
through Google Translate.
Uh-huh.
And he showed, come on.
I don't remember this entirely.
So you asked, and then the guy said in Google Translate, because the language has come along.
they're very sweet people. He put on Google
He said,
Translate.
wait here. After showing you where to go.
Yeah.
You forgot.
Yeah, I
It was
did.
a highlight. What's
Listen, what
happening?
shall we do with this hoop? Shall
I'll
we
wear
just
it.
throw it?
Yeah, they won't
Because
see.
this side
You won't
anyway,
see.
you won't be
You
able
won't
to
see.
see. So
You
I'm
won't
gonna
see.
just keep this
Yeah.
sweetly on the table with my DNA.
Are they real diamonds?
Yes, always.
Kya show hai bhai? We don't need a sponsor. We got diamonds.
Yeah, I don't know.
Haan.
Just
So
because we're radio jockey and you can't see our face doesn't mean
Anyway.
we're beautiful in real life.
Since you killed my boring story about the Japanese gentleman, but I know because you came back and you were very excited at how nice they are.
They are
That,
very
or do they think we're third world? Either way, after showing you left, say, right, mar, whatever,
Yeah.
he said, wait, and then he went and got these donuts and he gave them for
my
everybody.
God, yes,
And
you're
I
right.
was so happy when you came back because
no, you know
in
what?
India-
He took it one step further. He gave
You
us.
married him.
He gave. I could
was an
be-
old man, I remember
it,
that.
It would be okay considering what's happening in Japan. He'd be
Yeah.
happy to marry me.
Yeah.
But I'm free.
Of course.
Like a bird. Sorry.
You're not married?
Are you mad?
You're
what
married
do
to
you know
Red-
about me?
you're married to
you
Red
know
FM.
me for so many
Yeah.
years. I'm a walkout of this show that I wanted to be on.
Hey, I
my
don't know
back.
if people have these silent partners they don't want to talk about, like Oprah.
Do you?
Oprah had a guy all along we never knew.
I knew because
We
I
thought-
was a huge fan of Oprah. In fact, as a child, this is how I will answer my questions.
Yeah.
You won't ask me, I'll tell you my
You
life
answer, you
story.
answer. Bring
Yeah.
yourself into the Oprah story.
I have to.
How the hell does that happen?
Because how else will we go through this interview?
Yeah.
So Oprah was a huge North Star for me. I was like, I want to
Yeah.
be like Oprah. Like she's fun, she's funny,
But there
and
was
she
a
does
guy.
important stuff. I know
Stedman,
Stedman.
Steadfast.
Not
It's an odd name.
Yeah.
I mean, he should be called Bob. Let's call him Bob.
I know his best friend Gail because women stand up for women.
Gail
Yeah.
is her best friend.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And yeah, she was.
And there were rumors about Gail and her, but that's not
Come
true.
on.
It's the Stedman.
That's-
Stedman.
if there isn't a rumor about you and your bestie, I'm talking about girls, then are you even besties?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's
and
one
Kunal
about
is not my bestie.
He is totally your bestie, and there are rumors.
Kunal is like acne. You know, you have acne, it doesn't go. It just stays.
On your face only, na?
Now my son is going through that, you know. We brochures have this problem with skin. Would you like to see?
Not at all, because I can't see it on your face. I have pimple patches. You can even use them on your
I
body.
had pimples in my 40s.
You're not. What? How old are you?
Couple of years more, ma'am.
Oh my god! Ek tang means like.
I'm ready for Japan.
Okay.
the oldest population. You're right. You're right.
Yeah. So much BC we have done. You know what BC is?
Benchot?
No, the other one.
Motherchot?
No,
That would be the obvious answer. What did I say wrong? Huh? PC.
BC.
Bakcho.
Are di.
It sounds like a gali, but it's not.
It's not,
No, so
apparently.
disappointing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Bakchod! And the guy say, ha 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 ha. It's just so.
I feel like the second half of the word.
Have you ever used bad language? I've never heard you abuse.
On air?
No, on air, obviously.
Daya re
You
daya
have?
Yashoda Maya, no. I mean, if say something is recorded, then maybe, which is very rare, then no.
Yeah.
Otherwise, have I ever given gali on air? But it has happened. There have been people.
By mistake, when you don't know it's on.
Yeah, but I've never.
But do you?
My career has survived 20 years because I can do, like I get off air and I can start. But on air, no.
You shift.
Makhan na pigle mere muh mein.
Okay, watch your phrasing. Huh? Mine is a very young audience. No, it's not very comfortable.
Do they
with all
get
this.
Hindi though?
Hindi they get.
Oh,
the only host
then they
doesn't.
got
Only
it.
the host doesn't get.
I
They
know.
get everything.
That's why they got mere muh mein makhan na
Oh,
pigle.
shh, again. Tamiz se baat karo. I'm old. My heart is beating. No, now let's go back a little bit and look at your
Please,
career
you
for
say. Look.
20 years this week, right? There's a date.
1st of August.
1st of August.
1st of August 2005, interestingly enough. So whenever people are
What were
like,
you doing before that?
Lots of stuff.
Let's go back a little bit. You were in St.
college,
Xavier's.
St. Xavier's.
And you did one of those the
no,
mass media
one
thingies.
of those.
No, they came after my time because we didn't have that
Yeah,
option.
I'll tell you. So I did St. Xavier's.
Ask your parents and those, because we didn't have we just had like BCom, not even BCom, what is it? Arts and Science.
Yeah. So after that, I did like Sophia's, where I did my social communications media. SCM stands for social communication media. And so it was, the approach to media is thoda ke kuch like nowadays what you see in media, right? Anything and everything goes. There's no rules. There's no way you do. So SCM was that, to come from a space where you're thinking of society kind of. So it was that kind of thing. And I thought it didn't impact me, but my lord, when I started talking on the radio, I realized how much it had impacted
You haven't
me.
stopped talking.
When I started back then,
Don't say started
you
talking.
cannot say stop talking.
By the way, the producer is sending me some hints. Let's see what she's saying.
She's saying it's about 11 and a half
Pol
minutes.
Science.
Pol Science.
Bachelor.
Yeah. She was trying to tell you that I finished with political science.
Firstly, women cannot be bachelors. They're called spinsters. Okay?
How dare you?
Angrezi samjho.
This is, how dare you? How
Excellent.
archaic.
Bakalar in Punjab.
I'm gonna drink some water. I need
Bro, let's get back on track here. Is it only water? I don't know. What do you think of do you have your name on the mugs in Red FM?
Guys, why don't
Do you have your name in the
I
fucking
don't,
background?
No, I don't.
Red
FM? You have to call it
Acha
red, yeah.
beta,
Yeah,
take
yeah.
down notes.
Whatever it is, Cyrus is my well-wisher and
Yeah.
he is going to send a message to our CEO.
What? You know how they
There
fired
should
me?
be. Why?
One day I called them up and said the contract
turning
got over some 1 month ago. What's happening? Okay, then you don't come next week. Rishi,
We
the
did
half
like
Parsi
this.
guy.
Oh my, he's not with us either. So
What
you're
happened?
good.
His contract got over.
They said, okay, don't come.
Hey,
Don't
how
come.
come you're not like heading?
I don't have a contact with
Like,
him.
aren't you part of management by now?
I don't want to be part of management. Cyrus, are you mad? Have you seen what
But
management?
the whole thing has grown with you. You're like red. Red is you.
I know. And I'm very glad. Keep saying this. We're going to apply
No,
for
but it's not.
ESOPs.
I'm not trying to. It's not like
Blow
flattery.
smoke up my
No,
ears.
it's not.
No,
Why
no,
would you
no.
say that?
You're
20
right.
years.
I know.
I can't.
I
The
do.
only one I can think of, 20 years who stayed in the same position and the growth of the radio channel is Rishi Kannan.
Kannan, yes.
Because his growth as a human being, if you've seen him. Sorry. Okay, going back. So you were doing the Sophia course, which was early
social
days of this
communications.
mass media course that
yes,
was available.
Yeah. It was wonderful. It
Yeah.
still is around now. It also has.
Now they've
you
evolved
can
to some other name and all. Yeah.
No, they also boys get admission. That time it was only primarily for women in media.
Why so sexist? You reverse chauvinist, you?
Whatever, like.
So
probably
boys weren't,
because
boys
not
weren't interested, or boys
distract
didn't
us.
get in? What's the-
No, it was for women. The course was for women,
Really?
and now it's opened up for everyone. But that's not
What
important.
if you identify as an iron or a ice cream?
Yeah, this show is not really about my career. No, this is about all my other viewpoints.
You have to keep
do you
talking.
think it's okay to identify
Well,
as an
it's-
iron? No,
Well, listen,
no.
you're talking to a 5-year-old. So in between, just carry on. No? You just ignore and carry on. You know how to deal with me.
I'm trying.
You've been around here.
It's true. Actually, I have to tell you, when I just started out, also he and Jose just took me into studio.
Jose was working with you all
Yeah.
for a long time.
Of course.
You're a morning jock, by the way.
Yes, I
Were you
used to
always a
live-
morning jock?
Always.
It wasn't in the afternoon for some time?
Not at all. I was a night jock in another radio station for 2 months, but I was really good at
While
it.
you were still with Red FM. So
No,
they wouldn't
I
know,
wasn't,
because you're
nah.
doing morning here, night there.
That radio station shut down, Win 94.6. Huge shout out. The city.
I
still
remember
knows.
Win.
Yes.
Was that
Gautam
owned by-
Radia. The fun fact, Gautam Radia, who is the owner and setter-upper, his birthday is on the 1st of August. So when I got on to Red on the 1st of August and I started talking, I was like, listen, I'm really sorry. No, but he's very happy for me, obviously.
You
I
got
got
poached.
on air.
You got poached by Red. We're going ahead now.
No, we didn't get poached. My radio station shut down, and that time all other radio
Oh,
stations
so
approached
nothing
me.
unethical.
No,
it
I'm
shot-
very, very ethical. My problem is
Why are you here?
let me be little more on. Teach me, Cyrus.
What the hell are you doing?
Just like using my nails.
This is foreplay from the 70s. It's not going to work.
But it would work for you, na?
I can't see. Be like, "Oh." See, unless you're a dumbbell, I don't touch. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Just kidding.
Dumbbell, I'm not.
Let's go back. I don't lose the train of thought of the initial part
How will
because that's
you
what we
not?
don't know at all.
Okay.
Which is after Sophia, what happened? That little.
So, between.
प्यार से बात कर. What have I done wrong? Oh God.
How do people sit
Thank
through
God you
this
didn't get
podcast?
married. There'll be one husband somewhere in Bandra like this, morning to night.
I want you guys to see my face. It's mostly me being like, and him going chuck 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 chuck. Which husband he'd have me? I'm a great listener.
Really?
No. Yes, I am. You have to be a very good listener to have a career in radio jockeying for 20 years. Doesn't
How
mean
are you a listener? You're the
my
talker.
fuse is but my fuse is short. But I'm a very good listener. Like I know every micro expression, but I use anger to because I'm short, right? So I feel like tall people don't listen to you. Listen to this. This is
But that's a good fair point. Like the Pomeranian who barks more than the Great Dane. It's like that.
No, I'll bite. But because
You
the
bite
thing is,
also?
of course. Because
But
I
you
have
start
all
like
this
this.
experience and knowledge, and then when there are kids around me who are not getting it, then I'm like, oh.
But not on air.
I'm lovely. Never on air.
You've always got this happy demeanor.
I'm like, what the heck? Where's Shah Rukh Khan's interview? Super hits. 93.5 Red FM.
And that's how you do it,
Yeah.
girls.
There's a
Oprah.
lot. It's great
Eh?
fun. But it's great fun.
Are you the Indian Oprah?
I want to be, maybe
Yeah.
not in
She's
the
so
latest.
rich, man.
Yeah. She's rich also. Does she do that by doing
She buys
podcasts?
countries. She's that
Imagine.
rich. It was like, what country is available? It's like that.
That's why I always wanted to be her.
Yeah.
And then, of course, I had other iradas. Like, I wanted to be Shah Rukh Khan. I wanted to be Priyanka Chopra. I wanted to be everything. And I think that's how you should go. You should want to be many things.
Do you have a therapist? Because this is really scary.
She encouraged me.
Yeah. Who is now a he?
I'm okay. The world moves. It's fluid.
So before so you finished the thing.
I finished
the
the thing.
degree, and then what happened? How did you get into the business first?
So then
Tell
I
people
started
that.
voicing. I'd like to. That's the question. Are we
You're
sure?
not. I'm keeping it linear as far as I can. I still have the ability to remember where we stopped.
Okay,
But you then take off on a tangent about all kinds of things here.
I do.
Really, we're discussing sex in the middle for some reason,
No.
and nobody discusses sex with me. It's like it's a very painful subject. Yeah. I mean,
Guys,
Historical
if
perspective.
every impression of mine has been put to dust because of what's happening with Cyrus.
It's
then
a
I'm
beautiful
glad.
journey
I'm
of a
glad. I'm
successful
glad.
girl who comes from nowhere and rules the radio.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give that narrative.
Thank
but in
you.
between you
The
make it
nowhere
you're
was
making a
unnecessary.
mockery.
I'm
Sorry,
just
sorry,
saying.
sorry.
The nowhere was unnecessary. I didn't like
You're-
just.
nowhere as
You're
in
right,
there's
but-
no Godfather, no Godfathers, no network, nothing.
Don't-
So it's an inspiring thing for someone listening who
Don't
think,
get intimidated by short people. We are.
No.
I'll tell you now.
no,
Let me
my
try.
wife is short, but I get what you're saying, and she is
I
scary.
need to come home to eat dinner, but that's a different story.
Lunch? We're not dinner people.
Such.
हम लोग सो जाते हैं जल्दी. My mom is up till about 9:30. Will that help? She's 83.
And you?
And she only watches sports channels. I'm not my mom. I haven't yet,
What time do you sleep, Cyrus?
8:40, 8:45.
Okay, we'll make it lunch, and now I will tell you my story.
Or you come for dinner at 6:30.
Yes, I'm
What-
very English or American that way. We can do it. We can do it.
but
Shake
see,
on it because
What time do you wake up?
morning. I want to say 6 o'clock because 7
But
o'clock.
you're
is my
live at
show.
9. So you're not live. The first link
7,
is recorded.
7 to 11. I'm on air.
You're on-
7
she's
to
on at
11.
7 now?
Monday to Friday. Yeah, Monday
7
to
to
Friday.
11, 7 to 11.
Yes, all days. 20
And the
years.
first links are live, right?
Absolutely.
It's not like you've recorded
How dare
last.
you? What do you mean?
Yeah, I mean, no. It's a full live 4 hours, right?
It's a full.
4 hours live, no
yes,
cheating.
4 hours. And then,
Now,
hello, the rest of the
if
time
I
you're
take out
listening
a
to
few
me.
hours.
All the interviews that you listen to, all the film
Yeah,
stars,
yeah,
all of
yeah.
that. I'm just constantly. In fact, people think I sleep at Red FM and I wake up in the radio. But anyway.
But also 7 is a good time, no? Actually, it's a high volume time for listening.
And I don't know. I think patterns have changed. Have you seen our city? I mean, definitely people go to work later now. So I
I'm
think
complex about Mumbai, so I shut my eyes. Especially when I'm
And drive.
driving. Yeah. Listen, get back to your narrative.
I'm trying very hard.
So, there's a girl, finishes Xavier's, then Sophia, the extra mass media course, which is actually in a infant stage. Then what happened?
Then-
Voiceovers.
Then I get really upset because I don't know what to do because I want to do film and after Sophia's. I remember at my interview saying I want to do radio. Radio was nowhere on the horizon, okay?
No, the radio was popular.
2002 Private FM started, right? 2002, 2003.
93 actually. Is when
Private
we were 107.1
Oh, yeah, you all
FM.
got that one band.
I was one of the first jockeys.
Apologize.
Show some respect to the old man.
I know. I meet all of you old timers.
We went to Akashwani twice for our 6 o'clock show and nobody was there to open the main door. So we were eating vada pav, which was old because the guy hadn't made fresh stuff yet. He was putting his stuff together.
At least they gave you food.
What to do?
We are constantly on
So
diets.
I've done my show, my 6 o'clock live show at 6:10, 6:15, 6:30. Yeah, anyway, it's your story.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I just want to remember who digressed. Somebody count.
Sorry.
So then.
So you said radio, you mentioned radio as one of the things in your head.
No, yeah, it was in my head. But then when I got into the course, it was a great course because it gave you bits of everything, whether it's social
Sophia.
So it had TV, it had radio, it had film, it had PR, it had everything.
Circus?
Circus, it was. Media is a circus as well.
Well spun.
ऐसे नहीं hashtag बोलने के पैसे
Yes,
लेती
yes.
हूँ मैं हाँ.
You get the
बहुत
ball to
भी लेती
turn
हूँ,
both
कम भी
ways,
नहीं
lot of
होते.
respect,
Don't
yeah.
come to me with कम पैसे वाला scenes. Ask Cyrus how much we charge when we went to end Japan. You charged, right?
I just got the ticket.
I do believe that.
Return-
You should just go in the morning and come back in the evening and say sayonara or something. I don't know.
I saw nothing.
How sad. So
I ate
coming
the
back-
forbidden meat.
There is no such thing.
There is.
Do you
But
want
we don't,
just so,
we don't
does
allow
your
us
wife
to
know
have- yeah.
that you ate the forbidden meat? Is it allowed in a marriage? Just
It's a strange conversation to have with your wife.
Really?
Well, how do we start? Honey, I ate that wrong meat. Go ahead.
Forbidden.
Yeah. Will
So,
you tell your story?
I'm
we'll finish half the show.
Okay, this is. How about we tape your mouth while we're going through this? Is no.
I'm the problem.
Yes, you're the problem.
You review the
This is-
show.
How do you have a fight with your wife? Like, poor thing, does she get a word in it?
There's no fight. It's a fascist state. I'm the
Thank
citizenry.
God, thank God.
I have to put my head down and
As
feel
you should.
sad.
And then that's why you come and take it down on us gorgeous
I'm-
guests who are celebrating our 20 years,
talking
but you
about
don't want to know my story at all.
Read what read, no. Listen to what I just said. I
Gentlemen.
said 20 years, top of the box.
Yeah. You said that in
All
the beginning. Then we spoke about everything from Japan to
But I'm
forbidden.
trying to segue back into
No,
it.
you're not.
Your ADHD is the problem.
Your ADHD is the problem.
My ADHD?
Yes, ADHD.
You got ADHD plus.
You are ADHD.
You got the
super
premium
plus.
content.
No, you're the
Bro.
one that we subscribe to.
How do you
damn
get
it.
that?
I
It's
don't
amazing,
know.
man. Yeah.
Okay, let's just take a breath.
Let's take a breath.
Three breaths. Please just give me a second.
3 breaths is all I got. Say bye to me now. Okay. So listen, so the segue is very important. But okay, take a breath.
Thank you. So then what happened is I sat at home and I started
Post
reading Harry
Sophia,
Potter. Yes, post
She read
Sophia.
Harry Potter. Okay.
I was reading Harry Potter back to back, and my sister at that point told me, "Get out!" Because I was like, now I'm very confused. I want to act and I want to sing and I want to dance and I want to be a media person.
Was Harry Potter in
Everything.
Urdu?
Why?
Why would you read it back to back?
You've been sitting on that joke for years, na? You've been
Well,
wondering.
I felt I had it in my arsenal.
I'm
And
glad.
why waste a good one?
I'm going to now speak to you in Marathi, then we'll see.
Kaya
Let's
bolto?
not. Then she told me just get out. So I started
Who says she?
my sister. I started cold
You don't
calling.
mention the sister. Who's got ADHD now? Huh?
My sister saw me reading the
Older?
books, younger, saw me reading the books and she said, go out there and do what you want. I was like, okay. So I called up these studios that would then do voiceovers for BBC, all right? All the English voiceovers. The swan then moved
For
towards
BBC? For BBC radio service?
No, for the television when they used to have those documentaries in Hindi.
the
Narmada ki taraf gaya,
okay.
like that.
They've got that subdued way of speaking
English
for
too,
it.
yeah. So
And
then
now the tiger.
Yeah.
Got it,
So
got
I had to do it in Hindi.
Okay.
So I called
Or
up.
ab sher.
जी.
It-
मैंने
the
cold
tone
call
remains the
किया.
same.
मैंने cold call किया और बोला कि I want to come. Then I landed up in my cut sleeve salwar in my deep voice. And they looked at me and said, "Madam, आपको पता है ना यहाँ हिंदी बोले जाते हैं." So I said, "Of course मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ." Then I slipped right into
In
the
this
role.
voice?
Yeah. And because it was
slightly masculine.
Narmada के पास गया.
It's almost like I want to be Amitabh, but I didn't make it, you know. Yeah.
It was quite the training ground, and I did that for many years. I did lots of.
So you got
voiceover.
paid for views.
Of course,
proper.
I don't do anything for free anymore. I love that. Yeah, nothing.
We don't
So
have
I
the
just
budget.
shut up. You don't know that they're paying me. So yeah, and I don't believe that you should also. So yeah, I'd get paid and all of that, and then radio just about erupted on the scene. So I mean, not your radio, pardon me, our radio, which is basically private radio came back, and how. So there were these really long snake-like lines, okay, at
For
Linking
auditions.
Road, for
Yeah,
auditions.
I remember this. Yeah.
And I was like, yes, ma'am. And I'm also super, like, I'm doing lots of things. Okay, I'm singing with a band. I'm doing stuff. I'm not a sitter around. I have 10 fingers and 15 pies. I'm also much younger.
But how would 10 fingers fit in 15 pies?
Think figure.
Okay, so one finger goes into 2 pies or 3 pies because it's a long
No,
finger and a small pie.
I use other people's fingers. What is this
But
conversation?
then that's more than 10 fingers.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you sublet some
Pies.
fingers.
I
Got it.
use extra pies. I meant not fingers.
Okay.
Anyway.
I'm still struggling with it mathematically. It's going to take
I
me a
need to
long
drink
time to
water.
digest 10 and 15. The 10 it goes into 15. I mean, it doesn't go. I mean, just do the maths.
Coming back.
Yeah.
So then what I did was, so I did all of this, and then I stood in that line, and then
But
I
didn't they know you
auditioned.
by now because you're doing the
No.
voiceovers and also
No,
people in the
come
audio
on. I'm a
business?
child, yeah. We're like, what, so young, 20s, very young, under 20. So then we have started doing all of this.
So you did the audition or not?
Wait, I'm thinking.
You can't remember.
No, because
You will come back next year.
I did the audition. In fact, this one particular radio station did an audition the
Say
first
the name,
time.
no?
Why? I don't want to say.
How does it matter now?
Because we're very radio.
I guess. Mirchi.
I'm never going to say.
Oh, but that is only 3-4. Okay, go on. Then?
Yeah, so then they had these auditions and they called.
What did you do in the audition? It's like a cold audition.
They gave you a song or two, and, they
And you have
said,
to do a
You've got to
presentation.
do like
Link.
what we call a link.
Yeah.
So you like talk between two songs, and I'm very good with words. I figured at that point in my head, I thought, St. Xavier's.
You don't need PR.
No, I mean, actually, I do. But the thing is, like one of the film stars at one point, because we were talking so much about the radio station, she was like, oh my God, you all talk so much about yourself. So I snapped at her because I was like, because you have this whole PR machinery now walking behind you. So it's cool. Like, let them do your PR. We will talk about
Can't be-
ourselves. 'Cause
Priyanka said this.
No. Priyanka is lovely. I don't think it was Priyanka. Who said that?
Anushka?
No, I won't tell you. But it was a very,
Kajol?
very, very.
Which batch?
What Kajol? Kajol has also been to the station.
But
No.
which
like,
age?
I'm younger.
First time she kept quiet.
I'm thinking, that's why. Do you take a pause to think? It's called thinking.
You can't remember but you just told us the story. Who's the
I
actress?
did. I'm not going to tell you.
Guess.
These
Play a
are
guessing
things.
game.
Listen, I have lots of वैसे अंदर का scoop.
I
but
want
if
those
tell
stories.
You, I will have to buy an island and move. This is Atul Kasbekar. Sorry, he's saying the number of stories I know. One day
Say
I'll have
now.
to buy. What? Just one actor.
But
I
it's,
don't
not, it's
remember.
not a bad story for the actress.
No, it's of course it's not. But I'm just it's a little bit of a this, na? Okay. Oh God, you all talk so much about yourselves, and I was like, because you have this PR machinery behind you, they talk about. Obviously, we will. So anyway, there's lots of. It's not like I'm all happy, joy.
Rani?
Who? Rani Mukherjee? No.
I'll keep guessing, but you keep telling the story.
Yeah.
And if I hit correctly, then you have to answer correctly.
I
That's
will
it.
not.
Okay. Huh.
You'll just go through all the heroines and how many?
But I can't remember which generation. Problem. I don't know the younger ones that well.
That's why stay up and watch a movie
Thanks
or
to
two
the
in the
police
night.
order. I've been told to stay away from them. So yeah.
I don't know what story I was telling anymore.
No. That's an aside.
So then
We're going back to the audition.
Then audition.
You cracked
I was
the
at
audition,
the
the link
audition.
where you learned.
I cracked an
I'm telling you
audition.
the answer, na.
No,
that you love talking and you realize how good you are at talking and you were too good and everybody else was not so good.
I didn't say that.
Well,
I didn't
have it
say
on
that.
tape.
You may, but that's a lie.
Linking Road.
So when
audition.
in college and actually even in school, I thought of myself as a more shy person.
Did you do Malhar and all? Did you do all the anchoring and all?
Wow, no.
Then?
At that point, I was a little
Just
shy.
a minute.
I did Radio Malhar because
Yeah.
it was just, I used to, like, I did the play. I
Yeah.
did the Hindi play. I was the boy in the Hindi play. Ishita Arun, shout out. She was my wife. Ishita Arun was my wife.
Nice story.
Yeah.
I like this plot.
So then, because
Do you have a
there
tape
were
of-
not enough boys apparently in St.
Ishita, and you have a tape of this? Was it recorded?
She'll tell you if she meets you, the first thing she'll say like, "I made my Naura," which was me.
Wow.
So we did, and oh, it was great time. So then I did and I was in the Dashavtar dancing. I was in the singing. I was doing everything.
So you're a good dancer and singer as well?
I'm an all-round talent. You want my PR to talk about it? Can I talk about it?
We don't have time for your PR.
So then should I talk about it, or then will you say I need PR?
yeah.
Okay. No, I'm a fairly accomplished
Now don't bring it down. You
performer.
just said you're superb. There's no point bringing it down.
I don't know how much of
It's
it.
fine. This whole show is dedicated to you, so there's nothing wrong. Don't worry.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Even if it wasn't, I really believe
Well,
that
I
you
like
have
people to
love
back
yourself.
What's wrong with you back yourself?
Yeah, it's not like I'm saying मैं Aishwarya Rai हूँ. No, but I'm very
no, but
good
that
at
is
my
not
craft.
something you can
yeah.
prove, you know. Though. You can't say I'm
Correct, but I'm
yeah.
very good at my
You say you're
craft. I
good-
don't know if I can prove that.
Yeah,
also.
like for example, for me,
You said 70-year-olds are watching you. I don't know if they're listening to us.
no, they can't hear. So this is purely visual
Then
now.
how do we know whether
We'll use our hands a lot. It's very Italian, this whole conversation. But for example, my talents, like when I was younger, I could pee from 6 feet away. Now I can
Into a bowl, like
into a bowl,
properly.
into whatever. You show me the thing, I would pee.
Through a ring.
But now, if I do that, it goes into 4 or 5 different places, because with age, the whole system changes, and
the whole system.
the plumber hasn't turned up. And yeah, well, we haven't been able to,
I
you
don't
know.
think you have enough money for this.
Maybe
kind
your
of
story is
drama.
better than mine.
It's
Let's get back to your story.
So I was standing in the snake-like line. I gave a couple of auditions, and I remember even back then I was very jabra, but I did not know this because I'm standing there, and then this main radio station person comes and says, "So you see, that we don't have enough time anymore. God, this person's gonna look and know it's him." But anyway.
Why can't you say the names?
No,
These
I
are not-
can't
these-
because then I can't
there's
imitate.
nothing
Would you
bad.
rather me imitate or yeah? So he says, "Listen, very good that you all have come here and all that, but now we have 5 or 6 people in the room. Okay, snake-like line is over." And he says, "Okay, now we have to stop this audition." Now next day I was traveling, or it was Valentine's Day, and it was important to a young girl of under 20.
You had a
Valentine's
boyfriend?
I'm certain I did. Yeah.
You
yeah.
remember his name?
Not at all. I don't remember any names, obviously. But it was Valentine's Day or something like that, and I was going out of town with my folks, something. So I remember
With
standing
your
up.
folks?
You have to listen to this story, Cyrus. We were sitting in a room, and then this person comes and says this, and everyone just says, "Okay, it's fine, we'll come tomorrow." I'm the only one, even back then, who stood and said, "That's not fair." So my
You started a revolution.
I'm a revolutionary only.
Yeah, huh.
I was like, but that's not fair. You've made us wait all day. You can wait another
That's a
20
good
minutes
point.
and audition us.
Yeah, of
Why are
course.
you sending us back and saying come tomorrow? So even back then I was in Bagawat, you know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Then I still auditioned, I think a couple of days later.
Oh, they didn't listen to you.
I can't remember. I'm just telling you.
Make it
about-
up. Now it sounds better if they
Yeah,
got
okay,
scared
okay.
and said, "Okay, listen,
Fine.
what the hell?
They
You
got
guys go
scared.
back. She gets the audition." Yeah.
No, but I wouldn't have taken that because I'm
You're union
about
leader.
being fair. I'm
Yeah,
union
union,
leader. So I'd be
okay.
like, मुझे लो and 5 लोगों को साथ में लो. So anyway, we finished
What
that
a pain
audition.
in the ass, no?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm thinking from their
That
point of
is-
view. They're giving you the fucking audition.
Yeah, yeah.
Why do you drag Sushila and Shanti? You know, screw them.
Because
it's you.
that's how the world works, and that sets the beginning. मेरी
What a-
नींव वहाँ रखी गई. नींव समझने
You're
आप.
too humane for this modern world.
Yeah,
Then,
but it's fine. I
so-
turn up nice.
fast forwarding because they
So
still have the
then
bloody audition.
I'm
in
trying very
33 minutes.
hard. My God.
I haven't even reached.
I want to ask the producers: am I talking or is he talking?
You'll have to
How
come.
do we do this?
Can we do this like EMIs? We'll do up to here and then you come back every
No,
week.
I know.
I don't know how.
I can't do this makeup every week. Once I take this
Yeah.
off, it's a basal pe chachani under it.
And don't forget,
Don't forget
we have to return one. Buy one, get two. So then? So you
So
did the
that
audition
started.
finally.
I did the audition. I did it again. They called us and then they told me out of 900 people that we selected from all these snake-like people. Sorry, snake-line people.
Yeah.
Not snake-like people.
How mean.
Snake-line people, I said. That you are one of the top 9 or something. And then by the time I had
It's like a Miss India now. You have to go through all these rounds.
So then they auditioned me and then they called me and said, okay, and I was doing a play at that time, just to tell you the number of things I was doing. So I was at a play in Gujarat and they said, you've been selected to do the weekend show. And I was like, maa ki aankhein.
Wow.
No, I was very jabra, I'm telling you. I was
But you got
21.
selected.
But I don't want to do a weekend show.
Why not?
Because I'm very talented and I wanted to be part of change. I wanted to be part of
But
the
you're getting a
Bible,
foot
like,
in the door, no?
No,
Like
but
I'm
I
only
don't-
doing
I don't
this.
want foot in
I'm
the
doing this so that
Now,
finally.
what do you want by Cyrus? Why are you doing this podcast?
Oliver Stone watches this show, and then I'm hoping that when he makes the Cyrus the Great biography finally, do the maths.
The
There'll be a
idiot,
dead body. They'll need someone to play it.
Got it,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
got it.
Yeah.
So yeah, then I said no to them.
You said no.
I said no because the other radio station, which
But
was
you were
way
that
smaller,
confident you'll get
called-
something else?
You have no. You know what? Like my.
What did your mom and all say?
My first salary, they offered me a large amount of money. I calculated. I was like, according to this, per day, I'm getting 500 rupees. It's. I mean, if you take
Over 30 days, yeah.
yeah. So it was. It was about. I'm going to tell you my first salary because it was really that. It
I
was
can
in
do the maths.
2002.
30 into 500.
How much is it?
15,000.
No, it was more. 30.
No GST, so you keep money.
Yeah, no. It was 25, 30 times. Back then, in 2002, it was really good for a child just jumping out of college. I said no again.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You had the guts?
Yes. Oh, I'm very gutsy. Like I.
But how did you know that it all work out then?
I actually told
I
the
would have
person
said yes
who
to the
was
first
hiring
person.
me. I said, if you don't hire me, somebody else will. I'm a 21-year-old pipsqueak. I
Yeah.
actually said this. I looked into his eyes and I said, it's okay. And I really meant it. I said, it's okay if you can't afford it.
Yeah.
If you don't hire me, someone else will. It was woof. Poor Pattu, his brain was
But
blown up.
since you're not very tall, when you looked into his eyes, where was he?
He was sitting down, na?
Oh, thank God.
He was management. They sit.
Really embarrassing. Like, hey, Mr. Gupta. All
So I
listen,
said, if you.
we have to stop. Take a
What
break.
have I
And then we'll do a second part. We'll continue, but we've gone way over time.
It's time. Create the life you've always dreamed of. Join me, Ashton Doctor, on a journey of self-discovery, productivity, and wellness. In just a few minutes, we'll bring you practical insights and actionable tips to help you build positive habits that stick. Tune in to The Compounding Mindset, brought to you by Access Mutual Funds. Subscribe to the podcast now and start your transformation today. Don't wait. Do it now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Ma'am, we're back.
Yeah, सुपर डुपर हिट साइरस सेट्स पर मैं हूं मलिश्का और मेरे साथ एवर बातूनी साइरस ब्रोचा who owns 4 t-shirts only, and I came all the way from Sobo, and this wall is dedicated to Kunal Vijayakar.
But with no body.
I told you if I don't
Only
get
head.
paid I can't talk. Huh.
Sorry?
I said if I don't get paid I can't talk.
We'll pay you something.
Something
I mean, how much would this cost?
very expensive, bro.
Really?
Very.
Is this real or not? Just
You know.
get out of the system.
It's what do you think?
I
Come
don't
on.
know.
So if you don't know, it's a problem.
I've
You're
never-
married. Did you never buy
I
your
have
wife a piece of gold?
When my mother sleeps, I take something off her.
Oh my God! He means jewelry. He really does mean. Auntie, I'm so sorry. Your son
My
is
poor
like
mom,
this.
she's 83
I
years
know.
old.
You
How can you
realize
talk like that?
Me?
तमीज़ से बात करो. Okay. Listen, let's get your journey. We'll get back to your journey.
Please tell me you'll keep that in. You have to keep it in.
Your journey.
First tell me you'll keep that in.
So this is an honest truth that you are nobody at that point, just a voiceover artist, you're doing plays, whatever. You rejected not one but 2 offers.
Reject. But the second one I took because they said this girl is actually saying no, and then they hiked my salary by another.
But
maybe
this
10
was
grand.
this was Red FM.
No, this was not Red FM. This was a very wonderful channel called Win 94.6.
Yeah, correct.
Now
Yeah.
those who are
No,
fans
fair.
of Win
But you
94.6.
started with them. They should get a little bit of.
Yeah. I loved them,
Yeah.
and that was my neve. That
Yeah.
was when we.
And you made a little name there, and then you went
I
on to
did,
greater
but very
things.
quietly. Yeah.
So you finished with not finished. Win. What is the show?
Win 94.6 was it? Oh my God, who does this? My show was called. What was my show called, Veera?
Doesn't matter if you don't remember. Just tell us a little bit about it. I just want to know if there's a big transition between this and the Red FM
Of
show.
course, it was first of all an English show. We were playing.
Oh.
Yeah. There was English music, and then suddenly there was,
Was it
Hindi
nightly?
music.
Night.
I used to do the night show, so suddenly I'm playing Eye in the Sky, and suddenly I'm playing say Chikri
Also,
Chakri.
the voice changes, doesn't it, when you're doing
When you're
evening and
doing
night?
English.
You're that
Oh, I-
friend,
Yeah.
slightly more sexy, sultry, all that.
I used to carry a
Now,
book around.
why are the morning jocks so like they're about to kill people? You know, it's like early Arnab. You know, Arnab is a youngster, a teenager. That was young Arnab.
It's not really, but we're so pleasant.
Not you. You're special.
I'm Sorry,
Then-
don't keep this.
Win. You did a night show. It was in
I
English.
did the night
with
show
rock music.
for a couple of all kinds of music. Yeah, they were very confused at that point. Radio had just started. Then it moved and became all Hindi.
Yeah.
And that's when I became the morning jock, which was in 2 months, 2 or 3
Where?
months.
There or
Win 94.6.
Okay.
And since then, I've only been the morning jock, which is supposed to be a very special place in the radio world. I'm not so...
I thought radio is all about the morning. That's where radio's at its best. But apparently that's not 100% true.
I
Yeah.
mean, it's about drive times, especially in this city, because people are driving, and then radio became a media. At that point, actually, it started. Radio was about homes. People were listening in their houses. Then it became. And Ari, do you remember those little 100 rupee things you could buy? And
I do, but the
Wear it in
gesture
your
you're
ear.
using is making me uncomfortable. It's what women say to me all the
Nothing
time.
Make this.
Yeah. My mother, huh?
Are they right? Are they right though?
I think they're exaggerating.
You can tell by the size of your hands or your muscles, you know,
What?
or your feet that your shoes.
I'm
will
at an
be
age where you use a magnifying glass. But
like.
let's.
God help me.
Yeah. But why are we talking about that? Let's talk about this lovely story where you.
I'm going to now ignore everything you say and just gonna talk.
No, so when you go, you get promoted if you like to the morning slot.
Yeah, because also
If
there
you
was no
like.
like Hindi bolna tha na.
Huh.
So then.
And you have a very good command of Hindi.
I mean,
In
I
spite
paid
of the
attention
RC
to
background.
languages.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a
Yeah,
Roman Catholic
yeah.
by birth. But thank God, Cyrus, because maths was nalla. If I hadn't paid attention to Hindi, Marathi, English, it would have been much trouble. So
But you need maths also. All the money you're making.
yeah, no, that then you can outsource. When you make money, you can outsource, and then of course pay some attention to
Look
it.
at that poor Akash.
He is not
जूते
poor.
भी नहीं है,
He
पैर पे।
is. He has a house in
Ek
Ayodhya.
patloon. Yes, house in?
Ayodhya.
Ayodhya.
So glad. See, he
He
saw
is
the money.
connected.
He saw the money.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he's very cool. Nobody in Red FM is poor, really. They just pretend.
Wow.
But, so then I did this show and I started talking, and then 2 years later, the radio station shut down. In that interim,
But
radio
wait,
was very
you
different.
made a name for yourself there. And
Kinda.
is it fair to say you got a lot of audience? You got the first female audience wave. Where
Possibly.
The first demographic where there's a lot of women were listening to you.
Yes,
And identifying
and
with you
men
because.
were listening to me
No, men
also.
would listen to you because we are just faltus. So we listen to whatever.
You said
pastime.
it, I did.
It's
But
true.
yes,
You think
yes.
these guys want to work here by choice? It's the way it is. Huh.
It's like a free stand-up show, bro. Like,
No, but it's true, wasn't it? That,
Yeah.
that the women are listening.
The
and
demographic,
I
no,
remember
but at
people
that
telling
point-
me, I love RJ Malishka. And a lot of females would say that more
Yeah.
like they're aspiring, you know,
And
they're like
I-
their elder
yeah,
sister
good,
figure,
good.
whatever.
I could have been the younger one also.
Younger,
That was
elder,
really
yeah.
young,
What does it matter? Yeah.
But I wanted to be. I wanted to pave the way for anything in it, because even I was learning.
that was already
like
happening
to
with-
ask for your money, to ask for what you want, to believe in your. Because I know the other thing. Okay, let me tell you the other side. Very
Yeah,
important.
go on.
While I'm asking for what I want, because I know who I am. I know how terribly. I get into things. If I'm in, like, I've given 20 years of my blood to Red FM, it's not even funny. Maybe post the pandemic, it's eased up slight bit. But otherwise, like, I'm constantly on. Ask my team, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I'd not wake them. But if I found content, I would put it down and leave it there for them to see the next day. Even though radio is not
Why-
news, I would be constantly like, this is how we can change the world and this is how we can talk about it. Which was, you know, I was young with stars in my. I used to talk about the government.
No, but you did the BMC songs.
I did.
One you did while I was there.
That
I was part of your video. I
2017.
remember.
You were part of-
Yeah, yeah.
Did you
And
say
they were big hits, huge likes and blah 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 blah.
Yeah,
and they would respond. So the BMC song, I don't know, are we allowed to play a clip? We can.
2017. Of course, it's available. You can, no?
No, there's some copyright thing now. Who owns it?
No. It's free to air.
Yeah.
Just put 2 lines.
Okay, we'll try.
I think
Let's see if we can.
I mean, it shouldn't be a problem.
Shreya is saying no.
That
and
song
she's-
itself was.
See, do a couple of lines now. Because I remember we were following you. They were tracking a shot.
Something to first line was something. Mumbai. No, that
She
line I'm
knows,
not
she
saying.
knows.
मुंबईचे खड्डे कसे गोल गोल मुंबईचे खड्डे कसे गोल गोल रस्त्यावर खड्डे कसे खोल खोल मुंबई तू माझ्या संग गोड बोल basically we now
Do you remember? I was in
Not
pain
back,
because
not
they
back.
made us shoot the thing 5 times. Just 1 or 2 lines.
you were not in it. What do
I
you
was in
mean?
it in one of your videos. They shot it. They shot us lip syncing to 1 or 2 lines.
Okay,
Yeah.
it must have been the post video when that video
Yeah,
came.
you didn't
in.
even acknowledge it.
I'm sorry, I didn't notice. I was in a
I
lot
feel
of
like a-
trouble at that point. You do
No,
realize.
tell us now a little bit because then, but you got a lot of traction and a lot of
Traction and
obviously-
trouble.
and a lot of this is a Mumbaikar thing. So if you're not from Mumbai, you may not be able to relate. But it's a huge thing. When we talk about the state of roads, the state of potholes, the monsoon issue, etc., and you became the face of that.
I still am. I'm pothole ki devi. I can't
So
get
is it
beyond
true? So then they BMC did this road renovation thingy and called you to like inaugurate it. Is it true?
No,
or
I'll tell
like
you
a
what
parody?
happened. The first year, it went nuts because they were like, how dare she sing this?
Yeah.
The fact is, I was always singing about their
Yeah.
things. I used to sing some really weird songs. But this got viral because the internet has erupted now. And I was in America, okay? And people in America are around the corners because I was at IFA and they're all like, Malishka. And I'm like, wow, they know me, all of this. But anyway, I'm famous by this time. So then I realized while I'm there, it's night and day, na. I'm getting calls from media. I'm getting calls from like, and then I realized it's gone nuts, and not in the best way because the BMC has come
It was
to
your
my
almost
house.
Kunal Kamra moment.
Yeah.
Would you say
Except
Sawai Raina
no.
moment, Ranveer Alabadia moment, or Kunal Kamra?
More.
Think properly.
I know what. More Sameer Raina moment Because Sameer Raina, is that the correct name?
I mean, what more can he
What
do?
Raina?
How can he?
Sorry,
How
wait,
can you get his name
Sameer,
wrong?
I'm sorry, Sameer.
What
of course
more can he do?
No.
Win gold at the Olympics.
Sameer Raina moment, because Sameer Raina is still cheeky and
Yeah,
he'll come
yeah,
out of like
yeah,
the
yeah.
others are like little apologetic, I feel.
Kunal Kamra.
Oh, Kunal Kamra is lovely. No, I love Kunal Kamra. I keep messaging him and all that.
Ranveer
no,
is the
you're
one
right.
who's
Then,
gone
then
on the back foot.
Kunal Kamra.
Or
Between
they had a child, Samay Kamra.
Kunal and Samay.
I did it. I did it for you. I put them
What is
together.
Kunal and
Samay
Samay's-
Kamra.
Kunal.
If they had a kid.
Correct.
Bro, I can't
I'm
stay up with the
sorry.
old man.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
My
back,
head is
back,
doing so many things.
Back. Oh, go back to the narrative. So no, the
Yeah.
BMC replied.
Are
And
they
this
more
is the
than
richest
replied,
body in
na?
Asia.
They came
Yeah.
into my house. The lady back then, who then became the mayor, she wrote a song which was very badly done. So when I met the chief minister, I told him, "Okay, sir, if you all want to make songs, you all do, but let me write the songs, even if it's about me."
You met the chief minister?
Yeah, it became a big
Who
where.
was the chief minister then?
Mr. Fadnavis only.
Oh, but he's quite nice to
I
talk to.
put
Look at
put
me
it
flexing.
on Twitter. I know. I put it on then Twitter and I said I have to meet you. मुझे धमकियां मिल रही हैं आपके लोगों से. मतलब आपके लोगों से मतलब उनका तब तो वो था. But I was like,
Technically not, because BMC is a bureaucratic organization and the Shiv Sena had the most amount
Why
of
are you
candidates.
getting so
I'm
political?
just saying technically as a lawyer, but anyway, go on.
as a lawyer, as a mad woman, I'm going to tell you,
No,
don't
but
do
I
it.
know what you're saying. Suddenly it's out of your space. Suddenly all these people are calling and you know,
Yeah.
suddenly meeting a chief minister.
The chief,
and-
no, I asked to meet the chief minister, and everyone started liking that. So everyone started retweeting it. That's how I got an audience. And then we had a great chat, and he was like, "Madam, आपको जितने गाने लिखने हैं लिखो, लेकिन पर हम भी करेंगे." I said, "Sir, आपको जितने गाने लिखने हैं लिखो, पर आप अपने लोगों से मत लिखो, बहुत बुरा लिखते हैं, मैं लिखूंगी." So I was like, "All right."
How bad was that song against
Very
you?
bad. You must check it out. It's so cute, and she was, bless her soul. After that, I spoke to her very
What
often.
happened to her?
So she became the
Oh, I thought when you said
the
bless her soul,
mayor.
I got scared.
No,
I
like
thought pothole
sweet,
mein-
like bless her soul. She
what a
stood
irony.
there, this tiny lady, and she's singing Malishka, Tula BMC bar bharosa naik. And she's like Malishka, Tula Swatavar bharosa naika. This is happening. And then
That's
she has
sweet,
all
but
these bureaucrats
that's
around
not
her.
bad.
No.
Huh.
She has all these bureaucrats and all around her. And they're like sheep-faced standing over there. And she's doing this. And they're like Naika. Like, what is that?
That's casting issue.
Oh
Casting
my
issue.
God.
Background. See, background is everything
You
in a
should have
video.
checked out my casting. The boys were in it. It was quite cool.
Yeah, these are frustrated Red FM jockeys who were saying we get on to Malishka's show to look famous. Huh.
So lots of things happened around them. Then there was, and I was, that time news was actually news. I was on the news for some 6 to 7 weeks.
Yeah.
I know this because I was in America. I came back and it was still on, and then I
It
was
blew
being-
up completely.
It blew
And it blew up pan India and the Desi
Across
community
the
also.
world.
Because Mumbai is always the most interesting.
Yes,
I don't want to
yes,
say
yes,
it, but
yes.
for some reason.
And now still governments change, come and go, and all people will write.
Bureaucrats don't change.
Yeah, but they're like, also, why are you not making songs now? I'm like, Tuja Aicha Chappal. I make songs all the time. I'm constantly.
Aicha?
Chappal Chi Shappat. It's my takya kalam on
That's
radio.
fine, that's
My
fine.
dad taught it to me.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Just
Aichi
typical
Chappal.
dad-daughter moment.
Aichi Chappal. So then this became a big thing, and even today I get asked like as if that's my sole job. So people are like,
Can I
can you not see the khaddas in, I don't know.
I
for-
have a very good relationship with BMC. They're very nice to me. So I want to make sure that we are
Yeah.
distanced.
We are distant. Instead of saying I'll protect you, this is problematic.
Offline हो सकता है. Online.
Problematic,
Online
man.
BMC, brocha.
Give me a focus on like.
See, BJP, BMC all start with B, brocha starts with B. So we are joined.
You'll have to be.
I can't change from there. Unless we are in
Malishka
Kolkata.
starts with M, so does.
What starts with M?
So many things. Money.
Okay.
Money.
You're making me laugh genuinely. That's very rare
I
because of the kind of
I'm good.
problems I have. Do you want to hear them?
I feel like it's going to start with a
Agar
hernia.
no, Pachal no.
I knew
Which
there
one
was
you
a
want to know first?
hernia, no? There's a hernia.
No, I
somewhere.
don't have hernia.
It's worse.
It's just got in.
Okay.
I mean, if that's what you want to talk about.
No, I just.
But there's a lot of blood on the sheets.
I don't want to know.
I'm like the first time. Okay, well, your
I'm
story.
just going to look at my big heart ring.
It's lovely. Now listen quickly. We didn't get the segue into Red FM. When you were with Win, you're doing the morning show. Some issues happen with management. It closes down.
No, yeah. Well, yeah.
And they poach you.
license
They
fee
don't
issues.
poach you. They reach out to you.
Many people reached out to me. I went.
So why did you choose Red? Red, you should hear this. Huh?
Because, well, I have a story there as well. Because they were changing their tagline from something weird. What was it called? Something red in your head. And some funny tagline they had to, I can say it, I wasn't there when the tagline was. I didn't like it. I'm obviously very honest. To Bajate Raho. And the ethos of Bajate Raho, I really
Is it
liked.
still Bajate Raho? Because
It
that was
still is Bajate
Wow,
Raho.
not bad to keep that going.
I'm also still there. No?
Yeah. So it's great. It's a great association.
So there was a
man.
politician who put like chairs outside my Purana building. And I'm like 20, 21, bear in mind. And I
The
came,
the Krantiveer.
yeah, I have come out of my building and I was like, ये chairs अगर किसी को
किसने
कुछ
लगा?
हुआ नहीं अगर किसी को कुछ हुआ तो बाहर कैसे जाएंगे? I asked the कार्यकर्ता and he was like, मैडम जाओ ना. Then again मेरे अंदर का दन went to my terrace, called
So
a
you're
phone.
the female Amitabh Bachchan from the 80s character.
70s, yeah.
Because you're always fighting for the oppressed.
Praying for you. But I want to look glamorous. Well, it's important to be glamorous and fight for what you think is right. Anyway, I called the newspaper midday at that point. They were like, whatever. Now, bear in mind, I had Win 94.6 was over. I'm not a jock. I'm nothing. I'm a child. But I pick up the phone and I say, this is what is happening. Do you think it's okay and all of that? So next day they take out one front page article.
Came took photograph.
Yeah, with photo and all. And with an apology from the politician. I was
How
like,
sweet.
bro.
Which politician apologized?
I don't remember. Yeah, imagine. Because newspaper front page na back then. So then, and they did not put my name. They called me Mr. Athawale or something because they were like, just in case something happens to you.
Mr. Athawale of all people.
Imagine. Yeah, it was a name like that. Yeah.
I won't get into the politics.
I know,
but
please
carry on. Please carry on. Yeah.
So they said Mr. Athawale has complained, and next day politician apologized. So then after that, I told story Red FM. They were like sitting there going gleefully. Whoever was hiring me at that point was very gleeful. Okay, this is the personality we need. I didn't know. So then we both harvested like the best of each other, and then that's my Sangam story. Then of course then you want to know what I said to Red, right? Because the first place I told them that no, this money is not good enough, and I know I'm good, and if you don't hire me,
No,
someone.
but they've heard you, so they know you're good. They're
Yeah, but
interested.
now I've pushed because I've figured out that because I put so much of myself into Win. 2 saal मैंने छुट्टी नहीं ली, and I love to travel.
Yeah.
So I said I'm not coming on Saturdays. They died. They were like, what do you mean? I said, if you want to hire me, again same thing. If I don't work with you, I'll work with someone else. But if you want to hire me, I'm not coming on Saturdays. They really
So it's like
panicked. There
bravado,
was-
or you really feel fearless
I
about all
really
this?
no, but
It's got to be Manishka end of the day, and you need to have your life.
Yeah.
Also,
No. See, Cyrus, what is life? You live. You figure this is not working for me. Then you have the courage to say this is not working for me. I did Monday to Saturday, Sunday. One day I was morning jogs, and I used to really like you get up at 5 and no, it's a lot of work. So I said I'm not coming if you can't do this. They realized they were like at least come on Saturday to figure out the show on Monday. I said I'm that good, you won't.
Wow.
So we know, yeah.
Give me some stories, no?
So
Anything.
when we finished 10 years now it's 20, we did this thing called 10 saal 10 challenge 10,000 rupees. So great fun, you would enjoy this. You give me a challenge. If I like the challenge, I'll do it and you get 10,000 rupees.
Okay.
So people
Nice.
have come up with crazy ones because they knew I was scared of rats. So someone said, "Chuhe rakho studio mein show karo." They actually
Really?
bought rats.
Did you
That
say
was very
MF
bad.
under your breath?
No, I didn't.
I heard it.
No.
You wouldn't have heard it because our mouth was this way. But I clearly heard it.
No.
You heard it, huh? I got scared
Look
again.
at these beautiful lips. Do you think
And
they
she's
could
such
say
an
the
angry
word
woman. She
MF?
takes on politicians and DMs. मैं कौन हूँ मैं? I'm an out of work actor who hangs around Malabar.
They brought rats into my studio. Okay.
You actually brought rats
They
into the
did,
studio?
they did, and it was gross. But also one family.
Inside the studio?
Yeah, inside the studio in a cage and all. See, and then I did Khatro Ke Khiladi, and in that also they put me under rats. I think I'm.
Why
done.
was it Khatro Ke
And then
Khiladi?
you. We'll talk about
We've
that.
done the same 2 reality shows actually.
Khatro Ke Khiladi and Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
Yes, right.
So I just want to tell you, alongside radio, you can do a lot. I've done so much, film, acting, वगैरह सब, and I intend to continue. So anyway, so I go to Dharavi, okay, because somebody says just go for a jog in Dharavi, तो उसको 10,000 रुपए मिले.
But what is the thing of running in Dharavi for 10 grand?
I don't know, it was wet and it was a challenge, कि run through Dharavi. So I wore my like super like lemon Lulu lemons, not Lulu lemons. And
I don't think Lululemon was there in 10 years back. Anyway.
Yeah, but like, do you not think I could buy it from another country?
Fair.
Just like my.
No, you're a big shot. Go on, get on with it.
So then we run, and then the kids of Dharavi at that point asked me, they said, while I was meeting with them, they said, we want to perform in front of Amitabh Bachchan ji.
Oh, wow.
So I was like, and then I thought about it for a second, which is such a great radio story, because I believe radio is a great medium of connecting. So I said, oh, yeah, wait, I suppose I can get it done. I don't know. Now,
You
by
shouted.
this time, Mr. Bachchan is a fan, okay? Mr. Bachchan has written that girl, he wrote on Twitter at that point, that there's this howleracious girl on Red FM. Radio was very big.
Howleracious.
Yeah, he called me howleracious. We called him to ask him what's the meaning. Lovely, he's still very fond of me. So I said, let's try. So I dropped him a message, or I found out his email address.
Yeah.
By the evening, I had a message saying, of course, please bring the kids and come to, what? To Jalsa? Did we go to Jalsa? Jalsa? हाँ, the पीछे वाला बंगला.
The newer one.
The newer one.
Pratiksha is the older one.
That's it, yeah.
We had done the brokerage.
Yeah, of course you did.
I'm that old. Then?
So then, these kids from Dharavi, We took them there, and then there was samosas coming down from the Bachchan household and chips and stuff like that. And everyone's losing their mind कि बच्चन के घर से कौन बना रहा होगा समोसे. All of that is happening. And then Mr. Bachchan comes, and these kids with their, with their drums and like rattle shakers, which is made of plastic bottles. They did a whole performance for Mr. Bachchan. And that's when I really, I truly figured I want to say that the purpose of my life, but I truly figured at that point, what an amazing medium this is, right? You get to meet the stars all the time.
Yeah, but you get.
I get.
Somebody
but
else tries the same thing, calls up
no,
Mr.
but
Bachchan, there'll be police
which
case.
Other medium... Which other medium will allow you to take this connection and make it bigger?
Yeah.
Like, I know you, Mr. Bachchan, or I know you, Shah Rukh Khan, and it's happened with Shah Rukh as well.
You're pointing at
And
me and
these-
saying Mr. Bachchan. This
Be
is sarcasm.
happy.
you know, his
You're 5 foot
cheapest
nothing?
cycle is more than my fanciest car.
What about height?
हाँ, वो तो है.
That is the problem.
Just rubbing
Nowadays,
it
the
in,
girls
yeah.
are all about height,
In-
I'm telling you.
Yes, in every
If you're
and-
over 6 feet,
and
you
voice,
don't need a
voice
personality.
voice भी एक चीज
Please
है.
have a personality.
आवाज भी एक चीज है भाई. हाँ.
जी.
हाँ.
So they performed for him, and my point was that I realized that I have this connection to whoever that is, the Prime Minister, the Chief
You
Minister.
met the chief minister. You met the greatest actor of India. You met everybody.
I met
Yeah.
Chris
Who's
Hemsworth
Chris?
also.
Thor.
Thor, I met
Oh, how
him.
sweet.
Yeah, last year before last. I met
Has he? Does he follow the show?
Which show?
Red FM.
Now he does. I'd like to think.
7 o'clock. Oh, it's in Australia. It'll be like 11 in the morning.
Yeah.
it's
While
all
he's
good.
surfing and all, he's got green as yours.
In between movies,
So
you do
that's
nothing.
when I realized what an amazing medium it is. So then I figured that it can't just be bunkus. It can't be one song and then, hey, this singer and all. That radio could be used as a medium of
So in
much,
one sentence,
much.
you rubbished MTV and music television.
Why you all used to do bunkus in the middle? You all
I used to do because I don't know anything.
But you were such a
Was.
breath of fresh air because you're not on MTV, are you anymore?
I try.
Yeah, you were such a breath of
So there's like,
fresh.
for roadies, there's
My God, and did you co-host? Please, there's no
What,
way.
roadies?
No, whatever on MTV. Did you co-host?
many shows.
How did you let them talk? How did it happen? Poor Malaika.
Malaika, we have a very good chemistry according
I'm
to me.
sure you do. But like, the chemistry was where she was just like, and you're talking and talking. Like, how did
She's damn easy to work with.
Yeah.
You interviewed her, right?
Yeah, definitely.
She's
and
one of the boys. She's the easiest to work with.
She does, like-
She's as dirty as I am, as
dirty
naughty as I
as
am.
she doesn't
She's-
shower.
Well, that too. She's just so easy.
Malaika.
If you forget how sexy she is, she's just like the guy you one class with used to hang out with and just waste time.
She looks chill. I met her
Very
in
chill.
Goa just this New Year's. We were both buying cheese and anda from this thing. I was like, oh, hey, Malaika.
You still self-buy, your people don't buy for you. Like,
Malaika can buy, then I can also buy, no?
that's true. Yeah,
In
Akash
Goa,
ka
you
kya kaam hai?
definitely can.
Why do you keep him here? Poor chap.
He tells me stories to say. Like, for example, after that, the same thing. Then we did that with Shah Rukh Khan. We did that with Salman Khan. We did that with
Went to
Ricky
the house
Ponting.
with the kids.
Different spaces.
Different kids, I hope.
Different
Well,
kids.
The kids will
different
go crazy.
spaces.
Like,
But
Amitabh, Kal, Shahrukh. In Dharavi, they'll be like,
the other thing that radio
do
did...
any of the kids stay back quietly?
For
and
what? To like sit in Shah Rukh
education,
Khan's
have a good
spotlight.
life. you
No,
know.
no, they
Next
don't.
thing, bachchans are traveling. He's like, ye Bunty kaun hai?
Poor thing. No, they prefer their jhund. But over the time, we did this thing called Bajao for a Cause, which again was something that I started this right like in the beginning. It was called Mumbai Dil Se back then. I remember my producer and me going through it. But Bajao for a Cause is when the whole city comes together and say contributes to a cause.
Yeah,
So
I remember
suppose,
this.
Hai na?
Uh-huh.
I'm glad you do.
No, you've done so many things. I hope you document it one day.
No, I haven't. Cyrus, we have to
I
write
mean, now
this
when you're
book.
thinking
I'm
it's
so-
coming out, but just imagine you
Yeah.
sit and write it down or just sit with people and go through files.
Because people around me remember it more than I
Yeah,
do. Because they're like,
yeah.
you remember you did that? That we used to do pranks on the radio, 100%
Yeah,
real.
yeah.
Because at that point, people didn't recognize the crazy stuff I've done. The crazy stuff people have bought, Cyrus.
Yeah.
It's madness. I remember calling one fellow and saying, listen, I'm calling from the CRA KGB. And he's like, one dukandar in Paiduni. And he's like, madam, kya hua?
Bolo kya hua?
I was like, you have to make the dharana. You have to.
Yeah.
So I told him that the Kohinoor is coming back to the country or something like that. And, we've tried to bring it
And he
out.
has
of
no
them.
interest.
No, he has every interest. I was like, Desh ke liye kya karoge? Dishant or whatever his name was. And he's like, madam, yes, ma'am, and all. So we made him
He's
go-
going to Gateway to guide it back.
No, we said that we are in trouble and that your shop. Oh, he was a jeweler from Paiduni. So we said we wanted to get a fake Kohinoor made so we can bring the other Kohinoor back. And we're like, oh, our call has been intercepted. So now they know we're doing this. And then now there's a chopper coming. So now this man from his shop has gone to his terrace. I'm like, get to the terrace. You have to evacuate. This is all real, huh? We are, and Ritesh Deshmukh at this point, hi Ritesh. Ritesh Deshmukh is listening to this on the radio and he's like, this girl is mad because radio was crazy back then. It still is, but so I've told this guy to go to the terrace and now I have played the sound effect of a chopper from here. So, so I'm like, आपको chopper दिखाई दे रहा है? जब आपको chopper दिखाई देगा, अपना shirt उतार के ऐसे wave करो. So he has taken off his shirt and he's waving it on his terrace, but he can hear the chopper sound from here. And I'm pretending like I'm talking to the chopper guy and I'm like, Saransh, वो terrace पे खड़ा होकर अपना shirt हिला रहा है. And this guy's like, मैं हिला रहा हूँ, madam, shirt हिला रहा हूँ. So that went on for a while. And
How did you break it?
his sister was on the other. It's always someone else
Oh,
who puts me up.
you use a through and through person.
No, like you can call me and say prank Kunal Vijayakar, for example, or Amitabh Bachchan for that.
Okay, so that's what I mean. Through the family member.
Yeah,
or
so
whatever.
she was on the other hand having a great time and she's like, ये आदमी मेरे को इतना सताता है because brothers
And he never heard your show. So he was completely, he didn't pick up the voice and all.
No, not till then. This was very, very new. Yeah, even people didn't do those. Now, to everyone's faking their pranks, which are very good. But
Pranks, I fake everything. I'm too old, yeah.
I feel like you're constantly, there's a cry for help. I think after this, we should sit and talk and maybe I can therapize.
Will you hug me?
No. Just no. Not.
If I take my
not
shirt
with
off and
this
look for a
beauty.
helicopter, will that make an impression?
There's too much beauty here. It's
Ranbir Kapoor's story, apparently that's a very interesting story.
Ranbir Kapoor hadn't started out his. He was about.
He's not famous yet.
No, it hadn't happened only. Savaria was just very halka.
It didn't do
halka
well.
baate.
Yeah.
But doesn't matter.
The
'cause it
towel
was
sold.
Ranbir
The
Kapoor.
towel
The
sold,
towel
yeah.
song, which by the way I think Salman Khan na ka step tha wo. Anyway.
Oh, is it?
Point being,
Let me talk to our Bollywood expert. From,
he stays behind my
Kerala.
house.
Yes, sir. Haan. Bolo.
So Ranbir Kapoor stays behind my house. Like he stays at Pali Hill. And so at that point, we knew that he stays there and all of that. We actually went to his place. We kidnapped him from his house because by that time, like we had spoken to him and told him who I. Matlab, it happened in that space only. This was the time like the Bollywood that is now. But I told Ranbir and by the time radio is already big. He's been listening to me. So we said, before your film release, this was around Christmas. I said, would you like to be our Santa Claus? So we've kidnapped him, taken him, I think उसी की गाड़ी में
Dressed him up.
No, we didn't dress him up. We just, because oral, मतलब सुनने का medium है ना.
हाँ.
So we took him and he was the...
Sorry.
He sat there and he was just like, ho, ho, ho. I don't know who he said that.
Which in Marathi makes sense, but otherwise in India, what is ho, ho, ho?
I know, but like he said ho, ho, ho. And he became Santa Claus and we had...
Like
gifts.
all his answers are ho, ho, ho. That'll be hilarious.
No. He knows
You
that.
pay GST. Ho, ho, ho. Good answer.
I think he knows this Marathi. So then he picks, we literally kidnapped him and kept him for hours.
And
We got him to do everything, like do our liners, do our promos, take photos. He wasn't yet a star. And that is, I think that golden moment now when they're just... Like these
You exploited him at the right time is what you're trying to
Exactly
say.
what I
अब तो नहीं मिलेगा animal
नहीं
के बाद
क्यों नहीं
वो
मिलेगा
हाथ
एक बार
में नहीं
मुझे-
आएगा अभी
मेरी तो
First.
उसने मुझे गाड़ी नहीं very sweet guy
But actually when I was in Red FM he was doing an interview with Virat Kohli's wife Anushka.
It might be nice if you
and
know
I went
her
and said
name.
hello to them and he was very nice to me. He called me all kinds of nice words and we
Like
he used
Don't
a
say-
big
don't
English
say
word
it.
which I can't remember which means like you're perennial.
okay
One of those-
perennial pain in the ass.
Yeah, one of those big words that you pick up somewhere. And then we hugged.
You're about hugging men, women doesn't matter.
It was a long hug.
It wasn't.
There's the normal hug which you do, you meet people after a long
Were
time.
you wearing your t-shirt or did you?
I felt a pec squeeze. Like we both squeezed our pecs. As in each other's pecs, no. My pec, me, his pec, him.
Okay.
So that there was a moment.
There was like a
There was-
pecking
there
order.
was a
I
moment.
got it. Nice.
Oh, nice. Well played. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what the hell? 1 hour, 10 minutes. Okay, quickly, before we wind up.
Say na, wind up. What do you want me to say?
Any other stories? You've not told us many females. It's all male-centric stories, including the Paidoni jeweler. What about female stars? Were they all horrible?
No.
One must have been nice.
They were lovely.
Who's your favorite? You can say that. Let's not be negative. Let's be positive.
I'm always positive. You're the one trying to kureda stuff out. Vidya Balan, I felt like Vidya Balan was in college with
Oh,
me.
is that true? The story about her taking your advice for Munnabai?
My advice? No, literally. She was. It was really crazy because I had quit Win 94.6. I didn't have a radio station anymore.
Right.
But Rajkumar Hirani, the director, and Vidhu Chopra Chopra used to listen to me when he was on the treadmill. Okay, so he was like,
But I heard
want-
it's not very long on the treadmill.
then whatever. Imagine
one
I made an
link.
impression.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one
but I
link.
made an impression. So
Sir, match चालू हो गया. Okay, shut this fan treadmill.
he called me over. They called me over, and I was like Vidya, because I'd seen her in college last, and she's all ethereal.
She's Xavierite?
Beautiful. Yeah, she's
Oh,
Xavierite.
nice.
She was in St. Xavier's before I was there. In fact, I was.
Don't flex, man.
What? I mean, she was there.
So you're younger. Okay, we got it.
No. I meant I was in when I entered in FY. When I entered in the FY, she was already there, and she was
Yeah.
doing fabulous. And she's
Model,
lovely.
yeah.
When I entered, I was like very lost. Like I was like, She sat with me, and I remember she had big curly hair. Okay, like, and she was very cute, chubby. And we both sat, and she actually explained this form to me. I mean, and I was like, this is such a lovely woman. So over the years, I've seen
So it
her
was
grow.
a
She's
friendship
still
before
lovely.
both of you were famous, basically.
Yeah, definitely. She was
So just
not
quickly,
even doing a
so the Munabai thing, she comes to you and says, I want a little training.
No, I told you Vidhu Vinod Chopra and said that I want my jock to be like you. I want that whole.
Okay.
So I said, okay. So I went to the office, and then Vidya Balan comes in this Rani pink salwar, very beautiful. And then they said, yes, we want to train her to like speak like you. So then Vidya and I she would come in her car. We have gone, that whole speech she does in Munna Bhai.
Yeah.
I remember reading it out to her, and she's lovely. She'd always compliment you. She's like, how do you do it? And it was very lovely. Then we went to a radio station, and I actually stood there, and I just started talking, and they're like, what is going on? Because it can be.
But she wasn't as animated as you. I remember the film.
No.
Also, the scenes don't allow her to be like that. Because
Maybe I wasn't as animated back then. I don't know.
You had a more subtle version
I'm
of
kidding.
you.
No. There's never been.
Manishka, Manishku,
No.
Manishki, there are many different options.
But just that whole thing, the whole good morning and all of that. Then after that, she started. Also, radio was new, so they hadn't gone to as many. After a while, of course, she figured out, because I think radio has been a theme. Then in Tumhari Sulu, I acted with her.
Acted with her or directed her?
No. Now she knew, yeah. Now acted with her means I was playing a part in the radio station where I was Albeli, RJ Albeli Anjali, and she was. The story revolved around a housewife who wanted to, or a homemaker rather, who wanted to be a radio jockey. Main kar sakti hai. So she has always been fabulous. Vidya Balan is one of my favorite fabulous. She's very real. Matlab, she's like very.
Doesn't seem to have affected by her Bollywoodness. No, it seems to be similar to what she was.
Or maybe she says Bollywood can be.
Are you
like
affected with your fame and all? Because
No,
radio
I wish I was.
reach is huge. It's not like
I know.
yeah.
No, everyone comes.
Have
to me
you
and says,
changed?
"You're
What do your
so
friends
amber."
say?
Definitely, I've changed for sure. I know I've changed because I'm telling you, I was
But you're
shy.
still friendly and all.
Very, but radio is about being friendly only. I get a little.
No, but you
annoyed-
could be one of those stars who, when they meet you, you're like, I don't want to talk to you.
Like all the funny ones. I'll tell you who are like this. All these funny ones, except for Cyrus.
Me?
All those dudes, directors, anyone, you name it, the ones who are funny are so kuskat in real life, na. Like there was this one dude.
Name?
I'm not telling. What is this? Then I can't tell you the story.
Give me a hint now.
What's his
It'll
name?
be like clickbait. We do things
You
like
won't put
rhyme.
it up.
You can rhyme it. You can explain the Hindi or Urdu or Sanskrit word in English. Like if his name is Akash, you say sky. We put it together.
Oh wow, great! We want people.
No, but that way it's not on you legally.
Not legally. His sister will not allow me to act in any of his.
Sister. Oh, slowly.
Oh, nice.
Think, Rocha, think. Under pressure.
Yeah, do it
Huh?
now.
Say, Shreya, you're young. Your mind is working.
Do you want the story? Or do you want the name?
I want all the information. Consider me Interpol. Tell me everything.
So there was this one guy who was very funny on TV and
yeah.
everything, and we really enjoyed him, really liked him, and then he had to do something on the radio. We were hosting together or something. I can't remember exactly what. What a horror nightmare! What a nightmare! And I was like, bro, it's like me saying, Cyrus, hey, interview me on your podcast, which I didn't do, by the way, but. It's like me saying, Cyrus, interview me on
I
your
could have
podcast.
just left after 10 minutes and just come back to say bye. I was nice enough to stay here and
want me
breathe.
to cry?
No. Cry later when it comes out. Finish. We have to end
I'm
now.
really trying.
Why are you
I
crying?
want to go. I have to go back to work.
You're
So-
working now? 7 to 11?
Bro, because we had to come here. Now you moved the time. Now I have to go
How
back.
is it live now?
It's not live. There are other things we have to do. Lots of podcasts are happening. Lots of people are interviewing me.
Okay, you're
I'm
doing a lot of
famous.
interviews.
Yeah. So then, what was I saying? So
About
then he
this
was
guy-
so khadus, this person.
Yeah, it was not friendly.
Not friendly, no, the opposite of the image we saw on And you know what? But as I've grown in the industry, I've realized that you don't have to be the person that you are on screen.
True.
But you don't have to be so khadus also.
Yeah.
Like, because when I look at Cyrus, I'm like, oh my God, Cyrus is going to give me this energy. But if Cyrus is a complete ulta kutta aapki
You
dukaan.
can put the word sexy in that description also.
yeah, you look
and
at
again,
him.
and again. Yeah, when you look at Cyrus.
When you look at Cyrus and you see this mask ki dukaan, this amazing person who is so fun.
It's
But
grace coming here also.
imagine if you had turned out to be a total
Truth.
kulti. You know what? If you were that person, then of course my childhood is shattered. My dreams are over.
If the person doesn't be a little antisocial and people really like the person, it's a really horrible moment in that when the fan comes and the person is antisocial.
But
That's
I
what-
think fans also, there's two things here. One is the celebrity has to be thoda bit this thing, and the fans also have to be thoda bit careful.
No,
like,
but
you know, when you're
they
eating,
mean well, so
they do,
you
but
can't really-
mean well is not my chicken's getting cold.
But people don't stand in lines in India properly. What can we do? Now, there's a guest, a celebrity, who when
nice.
somebody asked him for an autograph in the old days, before selfies, this is how he would sign the autograph. Okay, so ask me, you're the fan.
So I love your work, sir. Please, sir. Autograph, sir.
Who's the celebrity?
Show that end face again.
That's the guy. That's the guy. These guys should never be famous because they don't have the milk of human kindness in them.
It's true, and that's why there is no har, no puja ki thali,
If
nothing.
you
It's
remove the
also
body,
alive,
you
it's
left
also-
a head. It's like a shampoo ad. Head, no shoulders. That's it.
That's why all are friends.
Okay, we have to end. So quickly, last words on the show. 20 years, congratulations. Well
Thank
done.
you, Cyrus.
Arguably the most famous RJ.
Why are you arguing about this?
I'm just trying to make sure no one's offended because
Why?
the Kannan brothers will call up. Brocha, what about us? we don't have a face for TV. This was it for us. You know, I have to be a little careful.
Just because she went everywhere. Yeah.
Okay, fair.
But
The
also
number
the
one RJ, with all due respect, and who's been true to the art. You've acted in films, you've done all kinds of anchoring, you've done shows, but you've never changed. You've done the travel show, famous travel show.
Yes, thank you. It's
we'll
called
talk
It
to you
Happens
again.
Only in India.
We'll talk to you again because there's so much to talk about. But you've been true to your art. You've never left radio. Most people
It's a
use it as a
beautiful
stepping stone and go somewhere else,
Yeah,
but you've
yeah.
always kept it there.
Yeah.
And I think
Thank you for realizing that.
No, I think that shows a lot of loyalty and character. That it's important to do your thing. That's your art form in a sense.
Yeah, but that's why when I was a child and I knew what I would give this medium, that's why I said I won't work for this amount of money. Because integrity is important to
So
me.
you use this entire platform just to tell Red FM you want to raise. Now I'm able to understand. Abhi samajh gaya abhi. This
In fact, I want ESOPs.
You don't have ESOPs?
Imagine, see?
How can you
people are
not
just-
have?
Yeah, imagine.
You're the biggest name in the damn channel.
Glad. And not arguably.
Who's the head? There was this lady I was speaking to.
Nisha Nanan.
Nisha!
Yeah.
Nisha,
She's quite
please.
lovely.
I may even have a number. Of course, she'll never pick it up after the
No,
contract
she
was
won't.
just ripped.
Sure, I'm meeting her next month because I'm going to host a
Quite
Southside
pretty.
Story in Delhi.
She's pretty.
Do not objectify my
I
CEO.
know, she's pretty good.
She's pretty good, yes.
Yeah,
and she's
at
amazing.
the
She has a
job.
brain, that is why.
Yeah.
I threw my earring at you.
Wow, I'm the bad guy now.
Of course,
I build the roads. मैंने pothole बनाया
Like,
साला.
she's quite pretty. Is fine. She is, but also.
Why can't you say this anymore? What
You
world
can,
do we
you
live
can.
in? She's a pretty
You
woman.
can.
She's a pretty woman.
Yeah.
Is it wrong?
Yeah. Like, it's not the first thing I would say about a male CEO.
You never call a male CEO a pretty woman. Well, that's not a good conversation.
What a handsome. I'd
Handsome
say it to
what?
my friends. Yeah, you're right. We must have another conversation which is not about my
Who's the
career.
best looking guy in the room? Look around.
Me.
Thanks, Manushka.
Thank you, Cyrus.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, please.
तमीज से बात करना है ना. Important people यार.